Hey everybody, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Chase, and in today's video, we're going to be going over how to submit an order. Now, there are two ways to submit an order through Sensei. For those manufacturers that aren't using Sensei for their order processing and order management, you're going to be emailing that to the manufacturer. For those manufacturers that are on Sensei, we're actually going to be using the share feature. So this video is just dedicated on how you get these orders submitted to the manufacturer, whether they're with Sensei or they're not, right? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started in this video. The first thing I'm going to point out, I am on the order page itself. I'm going to click this contract forms tab. It's going to scroll me down, and now we see the contract form itself. This is on SBS. You see where we emailed it to the customer. If you don't remember that video, check out the links in the description below. It does show you all the videos from creating a lead all the way to getting to the point where you're ready to submit your order. For this, we're going to go to our email and we're going to click to manufacturer, right? We're going to full screen this. It does have the orders email for SBS already there. If you need to BCC somebody or CC somebody, you can as well, example@gmail.com. The attachment itself is going to be your order. That's going to be your document, your signed copy of your contract. And we also include a nice cover page. Folks, it is editable, so if you need to include any specific pieces of information there, you can do that as well. And then all you have to do is click send. So your manufacturer requests you to email those orders in. That's quick and easily how you can do that. Go to email, go to manufacturer, send your email. Now, I'm going to show you how to share your order now with the manufacturer so that you can submit it through Sensei. At the top right hand corner, you're going to notice some icons here. If you go to the middle one, this one says share. We're going to click that button. We're going to drop down the company name. Now, just for reference, Sensei Digital for this example is a manufacturer in my demo program. So I'm going to click Sensei Digital. I'm going to say something along the lines of customer is ready for install. Concrete has been poured. So that's just a little message. It'll send that to the manufacturer from my side. It will automatically attach the contract form, the 2D layout, and the 3D images. You can click add more files and choose between a list of different files that you have within the system itself. And then if you need to notify somebody, if I need to notify Chris that I am sending and submitting this order, I can do that as well. And then all I have to do is click share. And guys, that's it. If you notice, the page is going to change. So now this is our note. This is the manufacturer you sent it to on this day and this time. Here's our current status is pending. The really cool thing about Sensei is once that manufacturer accepts it, you'll get a notification, the customer will get a notification, and then you can always return back to this order page and see the active status of that order, whether it's requiring site pictures, whether it's waiting for site specifics, whether it's currently in fabrication, whether it's ready for install, out for delivery, whatever the case may be. That's the really nice thing about Sensei is it's going to connect manufacturers and dealers on a better level so that communication is enhanced and overall gives a better experience to your customers. So that's it. That's how you submit orders in Sensei. You can email them or you can share them. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, and concerns, make sure you reach out to us. As always, we appreciate the feedback. It helps us go where we need to go with Sensei, where we're trying to take the program, always to help you guys, to benefit you all. Thank you so much for your time. We look forward to any and all interactions in the future. And remember, we'll see you again. But until then, we'll see you next time.